To have what you're missing, you literally could do it all in a smoothie. Right now in my rapid recovery group, I told people just measure all your veggies in your blender. Your blender already has it there, and you can put like your entire salad in your blender, push it down really flat with your hand so there's no air. And then wherever the line is, that's how much you ate. So if you push down all your greens into the blender. So for example, to have what you're missing, you literally could do it all in a smoothie. You take 8 cups of greens and you flatten it out really tight in the blender. So there's a straight line across at the 8-cup line. Boom. There's all, and you can use the kale and the broccoli and the spinach, whatever you like. Just flatten it down to there. Then you take 4 tablespoons of the flax oil and you put it in there, right?
Yeah.
And then for the rest of the 25%, whatever fruits you like for flavor, it doesn't matter. You could put super ripe bananas, frozen mangoes, frozen pineapples. I like frozen cherries in there, whatever, you know, whatever makes it taste good. And then the water, it usually is about 40 ounces. You take water to the same level as where the greens come to. So if you blend that up, then you realize that automatically, just by adding that one full blender, by the end of the day, don't drink it all at once, you're gonna get super gassy and bloated. But like by the end of the day, you finish that blender off, you'll have fixed all your deficiencies.